Hello dear followers, subscribers and newcomers. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Facebook page and Instagram as well, where to share English tips, lessons, idioms and business English, meaningful books to improve our communication skills and linguistics. Today's lesson is an introduction to the simple present. Today we will discover an overview about the simple present, so please keep watching the video till the end. Do you use? Simply, we use the simple present for thoughts and feelings, such as I think so, I like, I love, I hate, and so on. We also use the simple present for states, things staying the same, facts and things that are true for a long time. We live quite near here, and also repeated actions. We came here every week. We also use the simple present in phrases like I promise, I agree, etc. I promise I'll pay you back. In a negative question with why to make suggestion. For example, why don't we go out? For the future meaning of the present simple. The new term starts next week. Positive forms I, you, we, they, get. He, she, it gets. In the present simple, we use the verb without an ending, such as I get the lunch ready at 1 o'clock usually. We always do our shopping at Greenway. Most children like ice cream. You know the answer. But in the third person singular, such as he, she, it, your friend, my dad, my brother, my mom, you have to pay attention in this part. The verb ends in S or IS for the spelling. It gets busy at the weekends. My husband thinks so too. Sarah catches the early train. She fixes messages all over the world. Negative and questions. Negative questions like I, you, we, they do not get or don't get. Do I, we, you, they get. He, she, it doesn't get or doesn't get. Does he, she, it get? We use a form of do in negative and questions. The person singular where we use does and doesn't. We don't live far away. He doesn't want to go shopping. Do you live here? Yes, I do. What does he want? Money? We don't add s to the verb in negative and questions. You have to pay more attention in this part. We don't say he doesn't get. Gets with an s is incorrect, and not does he get with an s. So please pay attention in this part. Don't add s or ias or is to the verb here that contain an auxiliary verb. So please, here are some exercises that I would like you to do, so take some time to do these exercises. Look at each underlined verb and say what kind of meaning it expresses. Is it a thought, a feeling, a fact, or a repeated action? Mateo loves sports. It's a feeling here. Sarah often works late at the office. A repeated action. So what about other verbs? So pause the video and take some time to answer this question. So thank you for following. This is the lesson of today. I wish you a good day, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your colleagues. Thank you. Goodbye.